In elite universities worldwide, a secret reading technique called One Book in 1 Hour has been quietly revolutionizing education. This method, developed by cognitive scientists, allows students to absorb key information from books in record time. Studies show practitioners can read 3 to 4 times faster than average while maintaining 80 to 90% comprehension. The technique combines speed reading principles with advanced memory techniques, creating a powerful learning tool. Dr. Eleanor Whitmore, a retired Oxford professor, reveals the method's origins in 1980s cognitive research. Top students don't read faster, they read smarter, she explains. The technique uses our brain's natural pattern recognition abilities, allowing readers to process 1,000 words per minute. Research shows this method activates both the left brain's analytical skills and right brain's visual processing simultaneously for optimal learning. Students begin with 30-second drills, identifying key nouns and verbs in paragraphs. Research shows this keyword hunting builds the brain's filtering capacity, allowing readers to extract 60% of a book's value from just 20% of the text. The Pomodoro technique, 25-minute focus sessions, is used to maintain concentration, with brain scans showing increased frontal lobe activation during practice. Initial struggles are neurological. The brain resists changing its 500-word per minute comfort zone. Studies at Stanford's Perception Lab show this resistance peaks at day 3, then decreases exponentially. Successful practitioners report the breakthrough moment typically occurs between hours 7 to 9 of training, when the subconscious rewires visual processing pathways. When the method clicks, readers experience text streaming. Words flow like a movie. MIT researchers found this state creates theta brainwaves, 4 to 7 Hz, ideal for information absorption. Practitioners report remembering concepts spatially, as if the book's information exists as a 3D map in their mind. Retention rates jump to 92% in this state, according to Cambridge studies. Advanced practitioners meet in hidden campus locations to share techniques like Z-pattern scanning and information triage. Yale's 2021 study revealed these groups develop a shared mental framework. Members can predict each other's book notes with 73% accuracy. The Society's initiation test requires reading Ulysses in under 90 minutes while maintaining 85% comprehension. The final test involves Tolstoy's 1,400-page masterpiece. Successful candidates use layered reading. 1. Structural overview, 5 minutes. 2. Character mapping, 10 minutes. 3. Thematic absorption, 35 minutes. 4. Verification pass, 10 minutes. Oxford's Comparative Literature Department reports only 12% of first-time test takers pass, but those who do demonstrate permanent cognitive restructuring. Practitioners discover the method isn't about speed, but about achieving deep flow reading, a state where time perception alters. Princeton neuroscientists found these readers enter a unique brain state where the default mode network, mind-wandering, and task-positive network, focus, activate simultaneously, creating perfect comprehension conditions. This explains why some report experiencing rather than just reading books. Graduates become mentors, teaching the next generation. Cambridge's 2023 study shows this teaching process actually enhances the mentor's own reading abilities by 18%. The cycle continues, each new student adding innovations to the method. What began as a secret technique is now quietly revolutionizing global education, one reader at a time.